2015 Mustang GT Premium might have rod knock. There's a knocking noise in the motor. Not too loud, but you can hear it. I really don't know what to do at this point. Should I throw in a new short block, new rods, new bearings, pay for the parts and maintenance, see how that goes? Should I trade it in, cover the knock for a little bit? Would that be a better value? I really miss my car. My car's my thing. I love Mustangs. I don't know. I just really don't know what to do at this point. Is it worth the money fixing? Is it not? I don't know. Y'all have any suggestions? Let me know. What's up? I don't know. I'm kind of stuck. If anybody has any suggestions or any info on how to fix it, maybe a cheaper way, see how it goes. Let me know. Comment. Let me know what the options are. Then I guess